Unraveling the Phrase Take a Spin, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, take a spin. This phrase is common in everyday English, and understanding its usage can be very helpful for language learners. So, let's dive in and demystify this interesting expression. Take a spin is an idiomatic phrase. It generally means to try something new or to test something out. Originally related to driving or cycling, this phrase has broadened to include trying out any new activity. For instance, when someone says, "Let's take a spin in my new car," they mean to try out or test drive the car. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. Physical activity. After buying the new bike, I couldn't wait to take it for a spin. 2. Testing new technology. This software looks interesting. Let's take it for a spin and see how it works. 3. In a metaphorical sense, I never cooked Thai food before, so tonight, I'll take a spin at Thai cuisine. It's important to note how not to use this phrase. Don't use it for static objects or concepts. For example, saying, "I will take a spin with this book," is incorrect. Avoid using it in a literal context where actual spinning is involved. Like, "I will take a spin with this top." Understanding similar phrases can help broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few. Give it a whirl. This is a casual way to suggest trying something. Test the waters. This means to try something out to see how it is received or how it works. Try out, a more straightforward way of saying, take a spin. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, take a spin. Remember, idioms like these can add color and variety to your English. Keep practicing. And don't be afraid to take a spin with new phrases and expressions in your conversations. See you in the next video.